Hey guys, hope all is well. Today's the end of the day. I'm making, I made, this video has 2 videos in it, but I didn't know I was going to film either one of them. So, 2 different calls is what I mean. One's commercial, one's residential. So, I hope all is well. I probably say it in the next clip, but I have no idea. But, that's it. I hope everyone has a nice weekend after tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice in New York State and Connecticut. It's supposed to be like 80, the high, 75 maybe. Today's 70. What's it? 79 today was the high. So now it'll just get cooler. It's a little humid out. But we have 3 o'clock. I mean, I'm sure I'll have another call, but it's the end of the day. All right, check it out. As well. Today I'm doing a little project with Carrier Rooftop because they're so great at their heat exchangers. So just thought I'd get this on film once I pulled this out. But this is ridiculous. I mean, here, check this out. There's this baffle right here. Watch. Gonna do the burners, backplate draft inducer, but I mean this is ridiculous. Get on the side of the back, but obviously I just don't want to blast heat in their system, their thing today, but I may have to. But I know these guys are notorious for doing this. Sorry, Carrie. You guys are shot. See Lennoxes and Yorks that they don't even have marks on them. This backplate here. Draft inducer and some burners there. A little compromised. I'm gonna clean all this out right now. Get it back together. Clean this out. I'm gonna pull these off too. I think everybody should put them in exactly the same way that they came out because I've had rollout from them. It looks a lot better. We're gonna burn it after I hook up these wires. Protec. Wrap them. So the next guy who comes, your inducer, flame sensor, and then this just comes up here. So I'm gonna take my wire off. Now I'll run the heat for a second. So this nozzle, the 4th nozzle over there, was plugged, so I wasn't getting fire over my last one. But now it's good. Just make sure this inducer's running the correct way. Heat them out right now. I gotta check the filters for these people. That's good. I have 16 by 20s on my 12 by 2. That's good. That's good. Let me see this. I'm in White Plains, New York now. I was in Rockland County before. I'm going to another call. This is residential. First call was boring too. This is a residential. It says no AC, thermostat's not working, and it's not cooling well. I wouldn't expect it to cool if the thermostat's not working. There are notes saying that he has a Nest thermostat there. I think he hooked it up, I'm not sure. Let's see what it is. Don't be mad, UPS is silent. That's what I need. How you doing, buddy?
Okay.
Yeah, no, I was banging, not banging, but knocking. How does these rings work? It goes to your phone, or you could hear it inside?
No, it goes inside.
Oh, okay.
I didn't hear it.
All right, maybe.
Friendly.
How you doing? What's going on?
What is it?
Because you rang it. There's probably a delay of 10 seconds.
No, it shouldn't be.
No, it's blue. The light's going on blue.
Okay, come on in anyway.
All right. So what's the deal with the AC?
So, I don't know whether there's something wrong with the setting.
The nest?
The nest.
What's it jumping all over the place?
It's not jumping, but when I try and set it to cold and temperature, it just doesn't seem to be taking. And the thing's working outside. I can hear
Is
it.
there a green leaf on it?
A green leaf. Well, why don't you come up? Where we are right now.
Yeah.
And I don't even know if that's correct. Right.
Okay.
But that's.
Well, let me see the air. Do you have air coming out of your vents? Where's your vents?
All right. So here's a vent here.
All right, let me see.
There's one here.
Hold on. Let me get my thermometer.
And then there's one in the kitchen, which is an even easier one to get the feeling for. This was a house that was originally not.
You said a split level?
Yeah, it didn't have a cooling system in it. You know, it was added in.
Is it downstairs or upstairs? It's downstairs, right?
Downstairs,
Okay.
in the basement.
Where's the vent? Let me see.
There's one here.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah.
But the one in the kitchen is the one on the floor.
When did you notice the problem?
Oh God, about at least 2 to 3 weeks ago. But I haven't
We-
had a chance. We've been in and out of the house
Oh.
because I have a place in the city also.
Okay.
So, you know.
How's the air conditioning in the building? Is it in the building? In a building? All right. So
a
where's the
condo.
let me see the outside unit. And have you changed your filter here?
They changed the filter in the springtime. Yeah,
That's-
you guys can.
We did.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, can I see the inside and the outside? This one's actually closed. See this vent?
Yeah.
It's closed.
I always feel like
Look.
there's stuff coming out of there.
Yeah, you hear a little stuff. Now watch.
You can pull it up. It comes out of it.
Sgraziato. Yeah, well, it's what we call stuck closed.
Really?
It's rusted shut. It's like a rusty.
So what I usually get is on the first floor it gets very cold.
Yeah.
This floor it's just so okay. It's cold. I can feel it. The next floor up, which and the humidity. You know, there's no humidity, so that's the good thing about it.
What side of the house is the furnace on? So it is closer to at least the split part.
You guys changed the whole system over for me about 4 years ago, I think it was.
Did we?
Yeah.
Okay.
You had a completely new burner. You know, the whole. You'll see.
The furnace?
Yeah, furnace.
Okay, let's look at it.
And the outside piece.
The condenser. Let's go. Let's just go into this for a second. Let's put it to cool only, if you don't mind. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Nope. Okay, so now let's go back to calling for cool, okay? This unit is a 2019, so 5 years. Okay, have you checked your filter?
I said we came.
Yeah, but have you checked it?
I haven't.
Okay. You want me to check it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm like the dentist. That's not okay. Okay? So for now, I'm going to keep this out while I do my testing, okay? Well, it's not frozen, right? So let me see. Okay, we're not frozen. And I'm not sure we're even moving refrigerant. So let's go outside if you don't mind. I want to make sure they didn't break Y on this pump. And they did not. It's not even like that. It's a nice furnace you have.
I asked him to put a decent one in.
No, it's decent enough, trust me. So you got a 3-wire setup. That's how you do your infinity instead of your, I mean, you do your regular, okay, so you did the honey. Fifth wire. Fifth. It's a nice yard. Yeah, so you're not even turned on out here. But like I said, it could be on delay because we turned the thermostat. So let's wait, okay? You said it was running out here, right?
It was.
Okay. Until I touched it, huh?
Yeah.
Kidding. It's not supposed to start like that.
No?
No.
How's it supposed to start?
Just start. Let me check. I have a capacitor on it. Take out my 24 volts so I don't blow your fuse inside.
Okay.
Which, it's in the basement. It wouldn't be so. A hot tub?
Yeah, you know, it's a really good hot tub.
I never had a hot tub.
It cost me like 13 grand when I bought it 5 years ago.
What do you think it's worth now? It goes up in price like everything else?
It's 20,000 to replace that tub.
Oh, and
Not that much.
all right, so let me check this. This is the capacitor. So this runs your compressor and your fan.
Right.
And I didn't even hear the compressor kicking on, so let's check it. Right? No, capacitors used to not die, but now they do because everything, you know.
It's like shit, yeah.
Where do they make it?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You have 0 microfarads on your compressor. The fan probably has like 0.6. I don't know. I can't guess. I'm just saying. It's supposed to have 5, right?
Yeah.
So let's see what it has. 1 C is way off. 167. It's not even a reading.
Yeah.
Let me put it in proper. Hold on a second. This hole here. Actually, let me take the comment off. Can't touch that. So what do you think? So we're just gonna take our common. Actually, let me turn this a bit.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm just telling you, we're gonna take the common over here, and then I'll show you the 2 wires that come from the fan and the compressor, so you know how it works. Okay, so your common's right here, which comes off your contactor,
Okay.
and then you have a
Common's yellow?
Common's yellow on this particular case. Most cases, the fan is the brown right here.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go with our compressor, which is this blue. It stands for Herm, is on the.
Oh.
Okay, and then we're gonna take our low voltage again. I'm gonna go like this. So what happens is, the thermostat are these 2 wires,
Yeah.
common and Y, and then see it's still off right now.
Yeah.
But we're still calling for 24 volts, right?
Yeah.
So when we put the power on, this sends the voltage through for the compressor and the
Yeah, I
the
got
fan. So let's do it. It's music to my ears, right? And yours.
Yep.
So now we're gonna go inside after about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go check the temperature coming out of that vent now.
Okay.
And now you'll see. That's why I like to do before and after. I was not gonna say the word on this video, on this guy's house. I just couldn't. I couldn't do it. I cleaned this coil too. I didn't film it because I cleaned it from the outside in, but I'm going to show you it's wet. So I'm going to go inside. I'm going to show you the coil. It came out nice. But I cleaned it, like I said, from the outside in. And those boots are shot. And I am going to go take a temp reading. If it's not, then we're going to check refrigerant. So I use this hose right there. Clean this coil. I like it. Flat rate's all right. It's not bad. Some people hate it. No, it's unfair, right? Okay, let's check this out. Shit, it was 78 before, buddy boy. What did I tell you I wanted it less than?
Yeah.
What did I tell you I wanted it less than?
Oh, I don't remember.
59, right?
Yeah. Where is it?
58.5 right now. 58.3, 57.
I can feel it.
Yes.
You know
Before you had it closed.
Yeah, well, I can feel it.
You know.
Oh, good.
Yeah, so you're good. All right, guys, thank you for watching. That's it. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of boring, capacitor. But I love those calls because everything's like inverter nowadays, you know? So, it seems like it anyway. But thank you for watching. Have a great day. Have a great night. And take it easy. Take care.